Mooney with the rebound.
Nothing is easy for the Spurs right now on that side.
Oh, ooh. Steph, show and go into the rim.
Goodness. Showtime.
He should get more than 2 points for that basket.
He should.
Looking for more.
Splits
two.
Oh,
he just can't be stopped. In a perfect world for you Dallas fans.
Oh, nice pass and the flush. And Tatum takes a hard fall after the finish.
Go back up top. It's been a fairly physical game. Plumlee turns it over. Trent goes up and blocked by Westbrook. And Boucher.
Part of the problem, Mike, is Westbrook did a great job getting back into the picture, but where are the other guys dressed in black? It's Boucher that comes up with the long rebound or deflection, and he finishes it. That energy, that effort, that enthusiasm.
Get possession off the jump. Vanderbilt got blocked by Holiday. Kyrie inside. Oh, LeBron put that on a cheap flight into the third row. LeBron shaking his head said, no, no, no. James, how many times have we seen this?
Rushing, a little lack of confidence at times. And
Kawhi Leonard.
grown man finish. Mama, there goes that man.
Turnover by LA. Jones goes for Conchar. High archer. Slapped out! Jaren Jackson Jr. on a major rack attack.
listen, it's going to come down. It's Detroit, Charlotte, Houston, and San Antonio.
Oh, that was
Tatum.
Come on. Big game before the All-Star break. Oh, nice move. Edwards on fire.
Lighting the fuse, baby. Started a few possessions ago, but
AJ to Murray. Down goes Garland. Murray connects and points at Garland. You too small.
That's 7 boards for Josh Hart. Hart down the other end. Oh, bam! Man, he bullied that shot out of bounds. A forceful block.
They're still in this position.
A bunch.
They should be out there. Oh!
Foul. Shaedon Sharpe, come on.
And Ben Simmons being a terror defensively.
Oh, LaVine, wow! First the handles, then the explosion.
Oh, Steph again! The beautiful ball handling, and then the flip shot off glass.
Just a little hesitation. They don't know what he's going to do.
Shot clock at 7. Oh, Reeves! Oh! What did we? My goodness!
I know what we just saw. Austin Reeves has a highlight.
Here's Bullock screening. Kyrie with the drive. Oh.
And a fantastic move! The defense went one way, but he went the other.
He's big time. There's no question about it.
We weren't even sure Jalen Brunson was going to play tonight. Hurt his foot on Sunday, and he comes up with a 30-point game despite being questionable coming in. A homecoming for Brunson. He just put the Bulls away with a triple.
Finally sees Nas now to sharpen the corner.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ball
Let's
taken.
go.
Oh my goodness! Shaedon Sharpe cocks it back and hammers it down. Gravity knows no bounds for Shaedon.
You know, like NBA basketball. What a full length of the court move and a
Wainwright. Oh, yeah, that's sent out of bounds.
Oh, man! Brook Lopez! Do not go in there!
Wow, what a play defensively. Sexton high in the air. He's off and running again. And Mathurin blocked it.
No, he smashed it. You coming down with all toward Wesley. Dumps it back. Whoa! Crossover move by Mitchell. Oh, he's got it. Oh my! As Mitchell with the move decked the youngster in Sohan. He gives the Cavaliers a 15-point lead. Let's get add to it.
Durant. The fake. The second. Oh! Ankle breaker! KD!
By 10.
Well, I said it wasn't going to be easy tonight. I think this is a prime example of just that. Putting Gafford in the spin cycle for easy.
Porter Jr.
It's not just him. He's going to get a T for taunting.
Yep.
Dennis blows by.
This is game one, Western Conference semifinals. As Curry does his magic, gets by Gobert and scores. Take note. Top 5 plays under the rim candidate right here. Gobert, they're asking him to get out.
Siakam slides to a stop, gets to the basket.
Three-point opportunity. Crosses over right there. And that's who Isaiah Livers. That's an ankle breaker for real.
And now Porzingis with another block, and then he held on to the basketball.
He caught the ball. He didn't block it. He caught it. That's 5 blocks for him in the next half.
On the run, he's got Buddy one way. He'll get it himself. Jackson meets him up top, pings it to the window. What a play defensively.
To Levine. Vucevic underneath. Oh, Jaren Jackson Jr. Holy cow, what a block. Get that shot out of here.
In the backcourt. Morant splits the defense.
Oh, my goodness.
Nasty, sassy stuff. Powell talking trash. Teammates going berserk.
From the Washington Wizards, are blazing a trail for his country.
There he goes.
Trae Young, first oohs and ahs of the game.
They want to see
Kind of turn a game around. Oh, wow. Russell having a field day.
He's got an excellent touch. He's not the best athlete that you imagine, but he's got a soft touch.
That's a nice 1-2 combination. Two
Ball handlers to attack this. Steph, 10-3. There it is! NBA season high and threes made.
12 from beyond the arc.
Russ! Throw it down! Throw it down, Russ! Down the middle he goes!
And then he gets a technical for taunting. I mean, he looked back at Rudy Gobert.